Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the virtual card from Naranja X. This virtual card is perfect for online payments and provides an extra layer of security. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Naranja X app. Make sure you've downloaded the Naranja X app and signed in. If you don't have the app yet, head over to your app store and get it now. Step 2. Section. In the app, navigate to the Cards section from the home screen. You'll see options for both your physical and virtual cards. Step 3. Select Virtual Card. Tap on Virtual Card to create or manage your virtual card. If you haven't generated one yet, simply follow the prompts to create it. Step 4. Get your card details. Once the virtual card is created, you'll see the card number, expiration date, and CVV. These are the details you'll use for online payments. Step 5. Use it for online purchases. Now you can use the virtual card to make purchases at any online store that accepts credit cards. Simply enter the details just like you would with a regular card. Tip: keep an eye on your balance in the app to make sure you have enough funds for your online transactions. That's it. Now you know how to use the virtual card from Naranja X for your online shopping securely. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching.